Angie Horkan is here from the Wisconsin Beef Council. Okay, you made your prime rib for the holiday. Now, what do you do with the leftovers?
Right. Okay. Do you have leftovers?
Right. Good question.
Sometimes, yes. It depends on what size you buy.
This is a great recipe. What do you make?
Okay. Yeah. So we actually have a leftover prime rib recipe. Now, caveat: you could use any steak in this recipe if you have any steak left over, but it's Christmas, and we're doing a prime rib.
Yep.
And so we're going to put our leftover prime rib in some butter.
Just some melted butter.
So I melted some butter.
Oh, does that smell good?
So it calls for a pound. I didn't really know. I just cubed it up, kind of like that. Now we're gonna add in some fun ingredients.
Okay.
I got half of a cup of beef broth, sun-dried julienne tomatoes, which I did buy in the jar. So they do have a little oil in them, but I thought that would add some great flavor.
Yeah.
Cherry tomatoes, about a cup.
And the beef is all cooked, so you're really just browning everything up.
The beef is all cooked, so you're just kind of heating it through.
Okay, some broccoli.
You do have to do a little bit ahead. So I blanched the broccoli ahead of time. And then I cooked the penne pasta ahead of time. How's my burner? Okay, we're good. So cook your broccoli ahead of time. Maybe when you're chunking up your prime rib, blanch it. And then calls for a whole box of penne, 16 ounce.
All in one pan. That couldn't be easier.
Let's see if my pan's big enough. Oh, yeah. Garlic.
Yeah, don't forget the garlic. Okay.
There's garlic in about every beef council recipe. Just a fun fact there. Garlic and beef. Okay, so yeah.
And this is your pre-cooked pasta.
This is, yep, I cooked it ahead. Mine's cold right now, but you'd put it in hot. But yeah, we're getting close to the end. Cheese. Melt that. I just got some fresh shredded Parmesan.
It smells so good.
And then we've got lemon juice. We put that in.
Lemon juice and truffle oil.
And truffle oil.
Which is fancy.
Don't have any seeds.
Available in most grocery stores, right?
Do a little research. Okay. I did find it in my little town.
Great. And then you just
drizzle these in. A little truffle oil. Now, I think you don't have to splurge on the white truffle oil because we have enough flavor going on here, but if you want to, go try it.
Make it extra special.
And then parsley. Put a little bit of that. Oh, now if you eat with your eyes like I do,
yeah, me
this
too.
is very festive because we have a lot of red and green in here.
Yes.
It looks delicious. Now at home, yeah, you know, when your cheese is melted.
Not to mention, it's all in one pot. It's all 4 food groups there. I mean, it couldn't be healthier, actually.
This is meal 2. Our first meal was our herbed prime rib roast with our horseradish sauce. We didn't put any horseradish sauce on this. But then our meal 2 is our prime rib pasta with broccoli and cheese.
Making our dollar go as far as possible.
Making our dollar go as far as possible. And like you said, not many dishes here. So beeftips.com, we've got a Beef of Your Holidays page. We've got everything on there. We try to, all of our recipe collections, all of our great recipes, videos, cooking tips, temperatures, times temperatures, thermometer information. Check it out.
Best time of the year.
It is. Have a great holiday meal.
Thank you, Ange.